This is like being at the best knowledge party in the city. This is where you want to be. This is where everyone is sharing information, and it is a very collaborative space and not competitive. People are willing to share with you struggles and successes, and I think there's a lot that we can glean from both of them.
It's quite obvious that when you're in a room like this over the last couple of days that you've got the best in the industry that are giving of their time and giving back to the rest of the industry. So it's been an amazing event.
I didn't know so many vendors would be here. This is great, but it's also that a lot of the presentations we were really interested in about the marketing and the people, the things they're doing in their laundry.
We were in Chicago for the first one of these, and we like to go to the Excellence in Laundry and Elevate. So these are how we fill up our sails on our boat so we can float the rest of the year.